All right, so we've been doing these exponential calculations. So for the previous lesson, we did some equations, right? Remember how we have the a is equal to p times 1 plus or minus r, and then raised to the t power. And if we have the compound, the interest, then we have to divide the r by n, and then also raise the power to the n times t power. Now, for today's stuff, it's a little bit different, okay? What is different is because we have a little e that's in place right here. Now, if you wonder, why do we have this letter e? And I can explain to you why. Now, one thing that I am not telling you, but you are more than welcome to find out what e is. That is what e actually is. Now, I can tell you a little bit, and that is E. It's has the meaning of having a fraction of an increment being added to 1, and somehow it's being exponentiated a lot of times, and that's how we have this E number, okay? So what we are going to see will be situations that concerns continuous growth or decay. By continuous, that means it is growing or decaying at every single fraction of a second. Okay, now let me draw the contrast between this one and the previous scenarios. For interest, right? Your bank does not award, your bank will not award you with any kind of interest payments until you have met the time requirement. Maybe like 1 year, maybe like half a year. My bank will not charge me interest unless I have borrowed enough amount of time, okay? But for situations like population growth, which we'll see a few the next few questions, and also something called half-life. Did you learn half-life in chemistry? Something about nuclear half-life, and also if you can hear my voice. Can you hear my noise? My voice is my nose is pretty stuffed. So for some reason I kept sneezing yesterday. So I have to take those pills for to stop my congestion, and I take those pills every 12 hours. So why 12 hours? Because we also talk about half-life in medicine. So we're going to see those, and for those situations, we discuss those in terms of a continuous growth and decay, because my body keeps on metabolizing the pill. The city keeps on having more babies, right? It's not like, let's just wait until May 15th. Then we can have babies together. No, it's not like that, okay? Speaking of babies, my friend just told me yesterday that his wife is pregnant. So he's going to get her baby. All right, so that's the difference between this equation and the previous equation that we saw earlier, right here. Okay, the main difference is this: you have to wait a certain amount of time to have the increase or decrease. But for this one right here, okay, it is happening at every single second. That's what we call continuous growth or decay.